So, you've heard of investing. Maybe you've even taken the plunge and dipped your toes in the market. But what about Nutmeg? Is it a magical fruit, a tech startup, or something entirely different? Let's peel back the layers and find out. We live in a world where financial jargon can feel like a foreign language. Words like asset allocation, diversification, and robo-advisor can send shivers down even the bravest investor's spine. But fear not, because today, we're demystifying one of the buzzwords making waves in the investment world, Nutmeg. What exactly is Nutmeg? Is it a high-risk, high-reward venture? Or is it a safe and steady way to grow your money? Well, the truth lies somewhere in between. Nutmeg is what's known as a robo-advisor. Now, before your mind conjures up images of robots taking over the world and your finances, let's break it down. A robo-advisor is essentially an automated investment platform. Think of it as a financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. These platforms use algorithms and sophisticated software to build and manage investment portfolios based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. So, where does Nutmeg fit into this picture? Well, Nutmeg is one of the leading robo-advisors out there. They offer a range of investment options, from low risk to high risk, to suit different investor profiles. They handle the nitty-gritty of investing, like choosing which assets to buy and sell, rebalancing your portfolio, and staying on top of market trends. But let's dive deeper. How does Nutmeg actually work its magic? It all starts with understanding your financial goals. Are you saving for a house, retirement, or a fancy vacation? Once they know what you're aiming for, Nutmeg assesses your risk tolerance. Are you a thrill seeker who's okay with ups and downs, or do you prefer a steady, if slower, growth? Based on your answers, Nutmeg creates a personalized investment portfolio. This portfolio is made up of a mix of different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and property. The idea is to spread your risk across various investments, so if one doesn't perform well, others can help cushion the blow. One of the key advantages of using a robo-advisor like Nutmeg is accessibility. Investing used to be a game for the wealthy, with high minimum investment amounts and hefty fees. But platforms like Nutmeg have lowered the barrier to entry, making investing more accessible to the average person. Another benefit is low costs. Traditional financial advisors can charge hefty fees, eating into your returns. Robo-advisors, on the other hand, typically have lower fees, allowing you to keep more of your profits. However, it's important to note that while robo-advisors are convenient and cost-effective, they're not a magic money-making machine. Investing always carries risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. It's essential to do your own research and understand the investments you're making. So, is Nutmeg the right investment for you? Well, that depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. If you're a beginner investor looking for a low-cost, hands-off approach, Nutmeg could be a good option. However, if you're a seasoned investor with complex financial needs, you might prefer a human financial advisor. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Nutmeg is right for you is to do your research and compare it to other investment options. Consider factors like fees, investment choices, customer service, and your own comfort level with technology. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.